Hello viewers, welcome to Quick Automotive Diagnostics. Today we have a 2018 Honda Civic. This is a 2.0 liter, and this Civic has been experiencing some issues. We have a cluster here that does not illuminate. So the tech did what they could do. They check it out. There was actually a problem also with the TCM module, so they replaced that. He actually took away one cord, and now we are having this cluster that's been nothing but a pain. So we're gonna diagnose this, and then we're gonna find out what's going on. So let's get to it. Okay, so what is happening is when we put key on, we have a message, but when you put key on, there is nothing on the dash. If you shut off the key, ignition off, you have those, step on the brake to start. So even cluster is off, key on, we have just that. We have a logo, but the cluster is not illuminating. We remove the cluster so that we can gain access to the back for testing. So in the back, we wanna do some testing on this connector here. And according to Honda, there is two things we need to check on that connector. Number one, we have to check the red pin number 1, which is red. And there is a pin 17, which is a brown wire. Like for us, pin number 1, it's right here in red. I'm gonna try my best so that you see. The top one is a red wire, and the bottom one is actually pin 17, which is a brown wire, as you can see. So I have my meter here. By the way, I'm using my ground from this DLC. I have this OTC connect to the CAN bus just to check the activity of what's going on. So I have my meter here, so I'm gonna just connect here to the red wire. And oops. Okay, red wire, we have power. As you can see, my meter, we have 11.98. So keys on, key off. That's a power all the time. As I just remove the key, see, power is still there. I'm still connected. So now I'm gonna connect to the ground wire, the brown wire. Focus. This brown wire here. Just gently back probe it. So that one, we should have ignition power when the key is on, but we got 0. Now, that is the problem. And then we're gonna back trace that. I print out the wiring diagram here, so we're gonna go through this one together. Very quick and easy. Let's put this one here quickly. And all right. So this is the schematic. This actually, it's the CAN bus communication diagram that I print out just to understand this circuit. We have ignition here, and when the key is on, we have a power going through this under dash fuse block. So we are concerned about this 10 amp fuse here. I don't know if you're gonna see properly on the camera, but I'm doing my best. So that 10 amp fuse will feed the CAN gateway right here on number 7 pin, and then it will feed our cluster on pin 17. At the same time, it's also gonna feed the shifter, shifter position indicator. So basically, our shifter here, if you can see, I can see the indicator is there. So that will tell us if the fuse probably it's working, but I don't see, this one should illuminate. This one should illuminate. We should have this DR illumination. So let's keep looking here at the diagram. We should also have the same power going to the back switch and also to the audio unit. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna check that fuse just to make sure it's good, and then I'll check obviously wire integrity, check, trace it where it comes from. Obviously there is a place where the wire splits, so we're gonna check it. So let's start with the fuse, simple thing. The fuse box is gonna look like this, and then good for Honda, they just give us the marking here, so we are concerning about the B7. Okay, so let's check this fuse and go from there. Okay, so we are looking for B7. B7, where's B7? So I see 13 here, so this one is gonna be 12. Oh, 13, so it's gonna be 12, 11, 10, 9. I don't know if I'm doing it right. So this is 15. Or maybe it's on the top. No. Sorry folks, I'm trying to figure out which. Oh, okay, I see number 1. So oops. So number 1 start here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Okay, so is 7 missing? Yeah, boy, 7 is missing. Got power there. I don't got power there. So let's find 7 and put it here. We are missing a fuse. Either they put it in the wrong spot. Let me check. 1, 2, 3 should be empty. 3. So 1, 2, 3 is empty. 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3 empty. 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 10 should be empty. So what is in 10? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 10 should be empty. So somebody put it on the 10. So let's take that out. Take that out. Yeah. Okay, so B7, we start counting from here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. It's actually missing. According to the diagram, we should have 1, 2, 3 empty, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 10 should be empty. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So this one is in the wrong spot, so we're gonna put it here. See, I can feel the tone changing in the cluster. And the cluster is eliminated. Hee-hoo! So now, that's a victory. So now, this vehicle should be able to start and run. Can we start it?
Yeah.
Okay, let's try it. I want to see what's in this cluster. Let me move this cluster properly. We have a bunch of lights. Everything looks good. Key off, key on. Okay, we're gonna fix that because the key, I see the key is blinking, so that's an indication of a security issue. So that will fix. I'm not sure if we have everything connected. Wait, we might miss one connector in the back. Okay, everything is connected in the back. Yes, everything is connected. So let's do this. Oops. Not sure what was here, but I see the key is blinking. When we see a key blinking, that means that key needed to be initialized. So that one is not a big deal. This vehicle should be able to start because we did not change anything else other than this. Okay. Now let's see if this one illuminate.
Now you can shift it, couldn't shift it.
Okay. Yeah. Yeah, it's just a security issue. Yeah, kick me out. So let's do the key thing and then go from there. Okay guys, so what I did here is I went into, I'm gonna back up here a little bit so that I can show everybody what I did because it took a while to figure out. So I went into the Immobi, you click there, he asks you a couple questions, you just say yes. Oh, actually, I should put the key on, to be honest. So you do this while the light is flashing. But I already get rid of the light and then this vehicle starts. That's why I want to go back to show you what I did. So 4th gen, yeah. Then it will communicate and then you're going to click on Immobilizer. So when you open up and then you go to special function. Your scanner can be different. It can show you all this one right away, but this one you have to go in those process. So you have options here. If you replace the computer on your Honda, make sure you go into the replace ECM, PCM. That's where you go. If you want to add a key, obviously you have this one option. You add, delete keys. But for my case here was just the security light blinking because we replaced actually the transmission control module. It's new to this vehicle. So what I did, I went to the replace MPCs/MICU, and this is where you go to do that. So when you click there, it gives you all this information, and once you click OK, then you're good to go. You'll just follow the on screen. And yeah, the light went off right away. It will tell you key on, key off. So right now, the car start and run. So it's a win-win. By the way, this vehicle went to the dealer, and then the dealer said the cluster has to be replaced. The dash, like the harness, and the radio, like the HVAC module, has to be replaced, which was only a very simple thing that the tech was already taken care of it. The tech found a transistor which was in the cluster, and then he replaced the transistor. So that transistor was fixed. So I believe during all of the assembly, that's when it kind of like the fuse fall down or something. So that's why the fuse was in a different place. And then that was the one just actually fixed it. So thanks for watching. Please subscribe and like the video. Guys, thanks for watching Quick Automotive Diagnostics. See you next time. Bye-bye.